Welcome to Real Talk English with Emma, your friendly English coach. Today, I'm going to talk about Halloween, a fun and spooky holiday that many people celebrate on October 31st. People wear costumes, go trick-or-treating, and decorate their homes with pumpkins and ghosts. In this lesson, I'll help you learn some easy English words and phrases to talk about Halloween. Let's have some fun and enjoy this spooky day together. Halloween morning arrived, crisp air, golden light, and a house full of excitement. I made breakfast magical. Even pancakes had spooky smiles. Lily planned every stop, from candy corners to spooky houses. The Thompsons turned their home into a glowing pumpkin palace. Every Halloween, Grandpa's tales made the house echo with laughter. Old hats, silly wigs, and one pirate sword later, everyone had their look. Dad's challenge, who can carve the spookiest pumpkin? It got messy, but laughter made it perfect. For Grandma, love was always her secret ingredient. One little scare made everyone laugh twice as hard. Before night's magic, there was the great candy hunt. Even Buddy wanted in on the fun. When the lanterns glow, the Halloween magic begins. I, the fairy, John, the pirate, Lily, the witch, Jack, the vampire, and Buddy, the cutest bat dog ever. The neighborhood shimmered with glowing pumpkins and candy dreams. Every great adventure has one spooky stop. Courage isn't about being fearless, it's about knocking anyway. Not every witch is scary, some just love to bake. Every door opened to new laughter, new treats, and old friends. When Grandpa wrapped up, no one stopped laughing for minutes. Oh no! But sometimes losing candy brings a sweeter surprise. Her light guided more than candy, it guided hearts. Some heroes have 4 paws and wagging tails. Magic lit the way back, one pumpkin at a time. Halloween wasn't just spooky, it was full of rhythm and joy. Warm flames, warmer hearts. A little magic always visits when you least expect it. Colors danced above, painting memories forever. A moment worth keeping, a family worth everything. Every great night ends with tired feet and happy hearts. Even superheroes have to wash off the glitter. Sweet drinks, sweeter memories. A night of adventure deserves a dog biscuit. Trading candy, the sweetest deal in the house. Robert smiled. Halloween had changed, but the joy stayed the same. We're lucky, I whispered. Every day with them is magic. Each photo, a piece of their story. Even as candles dimmed, the glow of love stayed bright. Good night, little monsters. Above our home, a star shimmered, a reminder of joy in simple moments. On Halloween night, the Thompsons learned that the real magic isn't in costumes or candy. It's in the joy we share and the care that lights our hearts. I hope you enjoyed learning about Halloween and picked up some new English words and ideas. Don't forget to practice speaking with your friends. Maybe even tell them your favorite Halloween costume or scary story. If you liked this lesson, please subscribe, like, and share so more learners can join our English family. See you next time, and have a spooky and fun Halloween.